What up, YouTubers and YouTubettes? So today I am going to make some Everclear apple pie. And so far I've got a gallon of apple cider and a gallon of apple juice in here, and I'm heating it up. Alright, so now I'm gonna add a cup and a half of molasses. Come on. So pretty. Two teaspoons of nutmeg. This is 3 cups of sugar, but I need to add 4. Oops. One whole brand new thing of cinnamon sticks. And 6 ounces of honey, which I'm gonna have to go heat this up. Okay, here's that other cup of sugar. I'm still waiting for the honey to warm up, but I'm gonna get this to a boil and then let it simmer for between a half hour and an hour. And then I'm going to put it in there, which has 1 gallon of 190 proof Everclear in it. And so then I'm going to do this twice to fill that 5-gallon jug all the way up. Just plop the honey in there. And so, like I said, now I'm just gonna let this simmer for a while, make sure all the sugar is good and melted in there. Sugar, honey, and molasses. And then, I'm gonna let it simmer, and then I'm gonna cool it, and then I'm gonna pull out the cinnamon sticks and strain it into there. And by strain it, I don't mean with like coffee filters, I just mean in case I miss like a cinnamon stick or anything bigger than a particle of nutmeg. As you can see, it's getting nice and warm. Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes so dang good. Oh man, that tastes good. Well, it's been about 45 minutes now. So I'm going to turn this off and let her cool down. Alright, so that one's cooling. Then you get another one started here. So throwing my molasses in first. This time just to get rid of it easiest. Here's my sugar. My nutmeg. Cinnamon sticks. One gallon of apple cider. That cider does taste good. And 2 of these are going in. Can't forget the honey. Honey's gone. And the last apple juice. Alright, same program with that one. I'm gonna heat it up for 30 minutes to an hour. Well, once it gets hot, then it'll be 30 minutes to an hour. Simmer it. It's almost there. Go for the old taste test. Ooh, that is delicious. Alright, now I'm turning this one off. That one's almost ready to get poured in. Cinnamon sticks in there. Got that poured in there on top of that Everclear that was in there. Just gotta wait for that to cool down now. Well, it's nice and cooled down now. Now I'm gonna pour it into there and not put the cinnamon sticks in there, of course. Well, it's all in there. I still got plenty of room to put more alcohol in there. Right now it's at like maybe 45 proof. Oh man, it's so tempting to put more in. So here's a gallon jug of Everclear. You can see line's about right, a little inch and a half below my thumb. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put in another half gallon. And I went with like a third instead. And so now I'm going to cap it so it plugs the top, and then wrap a towel over it and move it to a nice cool place. And the longer it can sit, the better. After a couple weeks it'll be fine, but like I said, the longer the better. And if I pour like jars out of this to give to people, I'll take a cinnamon stick and throw that in their jar, and then give that away like so. And I also might put some apples in here. Let me know in the comments if you think I should put some apples in it, because that might put a good twist on it. Anyways, right on, everybody. Until next time. P.S. That's the cap. And I just have water in there. I don't think it'll bubble, but it's just a good way to cap these glass jars. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I need more subscribers.